The FOTS float, yep, 180, grip 2, orange forks, 180mm, that 2019. I'm going to open them in front of you. So this is me opening them now, and I'll have a look. FOTS 2019s. I've got some tokens there, we've got a manual, and I'm opening it now. What a lovely pair of suspension they are. FOTS 36. You can see the grip 2 on there, 2019s, 180mm. Lovely fork to have. I also have FOTS 32s, fit for 2018s, but I'm putting these on to replace them. Beautiful. I'm going to turn them round as well. Yeah, it says grip 2 there, fit grip 2. A nice damper. So next time you see these forks, they'll be on my bike on a future video.